Hi, I'm Mike Klopmeyer from Ball Floor Plant. We're thrilled today to present the newest All-America Selection Award winner, Petunia Bee's Knees. This variety performed fantastic across all of the All-America Selection trial locations in containers. Why do we like this variety? It's a beautiful bright yellow flower, plays very well in mixed combos or by itself, and really lightens up your garden. It is the perfect yellow petunia for the home gardener, and we're so thrilled to accept this award. And here are some other applications for Petunia Bee's Knees in mixed combinations. It plays really well. You can use it as a complementary with yellow calibrachoa, a white verbena, or here a fantastic mixed combo from Ball Floor Plant called Oh Behave, with a yellow, a double flowered midnight gold petunia as well. And of course, it can highlight and brighten pink tones in the Mix Masters Great Escape. So very versatile product alone or in these beautiful mixed combos. And of course, being an All-America Selection Award winner, the proof is in the plant.